Namhlanje uadvocate Thembeka Ngcukaitobi udandalazisa izizathu zokuba lenkundla yomgaqo siseko inike isigunyazisi sokuba Owayesakuba kummongameli weli umnumzana Jacob Zuma achithe iminyaka emibini ethothoza intolongweni.
There are strong reasons why Mr. Zuma should be imprisoned, and he should not be fined, and he should not receive a suspended sentence. One, his conduct threatens the entire constitutional order. This court has had many contempt of court applications, but none come close to this case in terms of the breadth of their attack against the constitutional system. Number two, Mr. Zuma has made public his utterances against this court. Those utterances are unjustified, false, and malicious. Three, Mr. Zuma has drawn in his public tirades against this court unfounded comparisons between this court and the apartheid judiciary.
Kwayo advocate Ngcukaitobi uthi njengoko umnumzana Zuma engavumanga ukuvela kwikomishoni kaZondo njengomyalelo walenkundla uqhubele phambili nokuhlasela uhlalo wale komishoni uJudge Zondo.
In his failure to comply, he has also adopted a belligerent and a defiant tone. When we came before the Constitutional Court in December 2020, after a summons had been issued against Mr. Zuma, the target of his belligerence was Justice Zondo in his capacity as chair of the commission.
Ukanti umba uphakanyiswa ilenkundla ngokuba ingaba inegunya kusini naso kunika isigunyazisi sokuba umnumzana Zuma aye entolongweni.
It is in the interest of justice that this court exercises jurisdiction over this matter. It is this court's order that has been defied. It would not be fair to ask the High Court or a different court to effectively vindicate the authority and the moral standing of the Constitutional Court.
Kwaye ikomishoni kaZondo ifuna lo kaZuma hlawule indleko zamagqwetha kunye nezalenkundla.
Once you combine the malice and the untruthfulness, it becomes quite clear that a normal cost order is not sufficient, that he should pay a punitive cost order, attorney and clients. That would be an appropriate penalty in addition to sending him to jail for 2 years.
Isigwebo Sigodliwe kumba.